just having the versatility of being able to live out of the back of your vehicle, it's what it's about. It's getting outside, going camping, fishing, take the kids and the wife and the dogs and just disappear.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Kill with the AZ Westside Wheelers here, and I've got John with RedArc. RedArc is mobile power solutions for your four-wheel drives. When you go off-grid, they do a lot of DC to DC chargers, power inverters, solar, a couple different items to help you guys have power on the trail, run your fridges, your lights, your basically any kind of power needs that you guys would have if you're out overlanding, camping, things like that. So here's John, and maybe we can just talk a little bit more about the product.
Yeah, RedArc, it's all about power management and also braking. We have an amazing brake controller, which is called the Tow Pro. A lot of Jeepers love it for carrying around their travel trailers. So that's definitely something to not overlook. But yeah, on the power management side, RedArc is an Australian-based company. That is where overlanding was founded. Sure. And over there in Australia, it's incredibly important to have quality gear. Because if you get stranded, you get in trouble because you can get far away from civilization.
Sure.
It's kind of hard to do in the States, but over there, it's easy.
So you're talking about a tried and true product, you know, something like that. You know that it works for those guys over there. They rely on this equipment, and they survive off of this stuff. So here, not as big of a deal, but it's really important to have that good quality here stateside and to be able to use what they have already learned.
Right, totally. Yeah, it's super important to have the quality gear.
What's the setup you guys are running in this rig?
Yeah, so this rig actually has a bunch of different setups. Right now we're looking at the highest end Mac Daddy power management system, which is
this is what I need.
Really excited about. Yes, he needs it. He needs this 100%. This is our Manager 30 Red Vision kit. So it comes with our Manager 30, which is your DC charger, AC charger, your solar charger, your load disconnect controller, your battery isolator, and also your battery monitoring system. As we can see in this screen right here, we know exactly what's going on with our batteries. You can see right now we're at 81% state of charge. If we continue at our current draw of 14 amps, we're going to be at 0 in 13 hours. Now, if we were charging, it'd be the opposite. It would say it'll take, I'll make some numbers up, 17 hours, and then we're going to be fully topped off. So this is one of my favorite features. I like knowing where my batteries are so that I don't. Yeah, the Red Vision, that's definitely something that helps. You don't necessarily need to have something this overkill just to go camping. They make much more basic setups with smaller DC to DC chargers, battery tenders, isolators, and things like that. That would be great for any rig. It doesn't have to be some over-the-top awesome build like this, although it should be. It can be, yeah. And the other awesome thing about this is whenever you tie the Manager 30 in with the TVMS, the TVMS Prime, gives you the ability to control everything from one location, which is awesome. Nice. So instead of this kind of complicated motherboard of crazy wires and all this stuff, everything's running through the TVMS, and at a push of a button, either on our app or on the screen, we can turn things on or off.
Oh, so you can run this from your phone?
Yeah, totally.
Look at that. It makes it nice and easy.
It's nice.
Well, very nice. Well, I definitely appreciate the time, John. Thank you so much for taking a minute to talk to me about this. You guys have an awesome product, and I look forward to getting myself into something real soon. For more information on RedArc products, visit their website at www.redarcelectronics.com. I should mention that the AZ Westside Wheelers are neither sponsored nor affiliated with RedArc. They are simply a manufacturer of a product of our interest. Thanks for watching.